Hi everybody and welcome to Crazy Tech Lab, and today we'll be doing a preview of MSI's MPG Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi. Slightly different name there to previous generations, which is set to sit in the middle of MSI's stack price-wise, although unfortunately I can't talk about prices just yet. First though, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, as every subscriber helps to grow Crazy Tech Lab and means I can create more videos and do them more regularly too. So the MPG Z490 Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi has a 12-phase 60 amp power design using phase doublers and a large VRM cooling array with a heat pipe linked heat sinks. However, there's no active cooling here like you'd see on the Z490 MEG boards, such as the MEG Z490 Ace, although at the moment we don't actually know what circumstances that extra cooling might be useful. So for now, I wouldn't view the lack of a VRM fan as much of a negative here. You also get a 2.5 gigabit LAN port as well as Wi-Fi 6 on the rear I/O panel, and which also has an integrated I/O shield plus USB 3.1 Type-C support, which features MSI's 2x2 arrangement for up to 20 gigabits per second by using two 10 gigabit lanes with an AS media controller. There are two M.2 ports, both equipped with topside heatsinks, and both ports support either PCI Express NVMe SSDs or SATA M.2 SSDs. And there's an impressive 7 fan headers too on the PCB. So that's it for this preview, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos for previews of loads of other Z490 motherboards, as well as my overclocking guides, mini ITX build guides, and other cool and crazy stuff. So thanks for tuning, and see you soon.